Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to perform USB4 transmitter and receiver testing using Qualify 2 enabled TX and RX compliance software. Qualify 2 is the most efficient, easy to use compliance framework available. Qualify 2 is the only test framework that unifies transmitter and receiver testing into a single user interface that can be run directly from the oscilloscope application or from a remote PC. Qualify 2 features a simplified test interface that includes all test setup and selection in a single test tree, with quick access connection diagrams available at any time. For USB4 TX testing, a plug fixture is used to connect the device under test, and a device controller is connected to the oscilloscope over USB. Press Open Session to select the script you want to run. In this case, Gen 2, Gen 3 router assembly transmitter testing. Configure settings and select tests from the test tree. To view the connection diagram, press the Quick Access Connection Diagram button. Qualify 2 USB4 supports multi-lane test fixtures for USB4 version 2.0 or single-lane test fixtures for USB4 version 1.0. Select the processing mode, capture and analyze, or capture only. In this case, capture and analyze. Then press the Run button. Qualify 2 automatically sets up the DUT with the device controller and acquires all the required compliance waveforms. Qualify 2 will continue by post-processing the waveforms using USB4 SIG test. When processing is complete, test limits are applied and a compliance report is generated. For TX testing, if capture only is selected as the processing mode, then the session file can be moved to a separate PC for analysis and report generation in order to free up the oscilloscope for other testing, like receiver calibration. For USB4 receiver testing, Qualify 2 is used to calibrate the Anritsu MP1900A and perform BER testing on the DUT using the USB4 controller. For RX testing, open the Gen 2, Gen 3 router assembly RX script. As in TX tests, configure device settings and select test to be performed. Press the Quick Access Connection Diagram button to see the setups. Qualify 2 USB4 supports external ISI boards for USB4 version 2 testing or integrated ISI boards for version 1 testing. Qualify 2 USB4 will calibrate and run BER testing, providing the proper user prompts and connection diagrams during the test. Receiver calibration can be run either from the oscilloscope or remotely from a separate attached PC. Qualify 2 is the only test framework that unifies USB4 transmitter and receiver testing into a single user interface that can be run directly from the oscilloscope application or from a remote PC. For more information, click on the link.